This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Regina Carroll. Beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath single-family home with volume ceilings, a split floor plan, and a spacious 2-car garage. The upgraded kitchen features stylish cabinetry, updated appliances, and Corian counters. The primary suite is huge and offers a tray ceiling, walk-in closet, and private ensuite. Ceiling fans throughout add comfort, and a leased solar array keeps energy costs low. Step outside to a long-screened lanai and enjoy the saltwater-chlorinated pool, also screened, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. Located in a quiet neighborhood close to schools, shopping, dining, I-95 and city parks, this home combines style, efficiency, sustainability and Florida living at its best. Don't miss out. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Regina Carroll at 954-494-1317.